Welcome. If your Snapchat keeps locking you out because of a screen time limit, don't worry, turning that timer off is actually quick and simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get back to using Snapchat without interruptions. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device controls live, including app limits and usage settings. Next, scroll down until you find Apps or App Management. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your device, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap on it to open the list of all installed apps. Now, look through the list and find Snapchat. Once you see it, tap on it to open its settings page. Inside the Snapchat app settings, look for an option labeled Screen Time. This is where the usage limits are controlled. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll now see the current time restriction set for the app. Tap on App Time, and you'll be able to adjust it. To completely turn off the timer, set the time to 0000. After setting it to 0, tap Done to save your changes.